Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add PayPal or integrate it to Lovable. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Lovable and then sign in to your account and then go to your projects and then select the project that you want to integrate PayPal to and then press on it. Now here send a message like I want and then send. Now it will ask you some questions. What do you want to use PayPal for? Accept one-time payment, subscriptions, or donate button. We can choose the option that is useful to your project. For example, I'm going to choose accept one-time payment and then press on next. Now, do you already have a PayPal developer account with client ID? If you already have, say yes, I have credentials. If you don't have, say no, I need guidance and it will guide you. For instance, now we'll do yes, I have credentials and then press on submit. Now all you need to do is share your PayPal client ID and put it here inside the text and just send it to it and it will integrate your PayPal to your project successfully. If you are asking how to get your PayPal client ID, all you need to do is to go to your PayPal business account and then go to developers and then search for your PayPal client ID. You will find it. You can just copy it and paste it here and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you for watching.